So this is the fishing spot that used to look amazing. So I would say it kind of looked like this. That's the closest picture I can find. That one's in Japan. I took a picture of that in Japan. So what did they do? They sort of just destroyed it. And even a couple of years ago, I saw the trucks in there digging stuff out. I'll talk about that more in the next video. In the past, almost all materials utilised for road construction within Pine Rose Shire have been won from the alluvial gravel of North and South Pine Rivers. So that's the river gravel. So they grab these beautiful boulders and crush them up, even to make them roads. So blah blah blah. Oh, and there's still some gravel we can steal and make it all muddy and disgusting and gross. I'll show you that in the next video. But this one's you've got to believe me, it looked this good 40 years ago. It really did. It was absolutely beautiful. And now it's just like, it's just like that. There's no structure. They've tried to dam it up a little bit, but there's no safety in the ponds, and this can all get washed out and become just some muddy mess. Oh well. Anyway, so I'll show you how to make the trap in a sec. So this is me throwing it out. And I think about 30 minutes later,
It's already started.
it's by far the easiest way to catch fish. It's not the most interesting, to be honest.
We got. Can you record this? We got.
I should use my phone. Whoa, look at that.
Where's the lid?
看不清楚啊，你的这个看不清楚。
Go. Got that?
Oh, I have a shrimp.
Little shrimp. And that's a rainbow fish. Whoa! Rainbow fish.
That's it?
No,
Oh, another
more.
big rainbow fish.
Look how pretty it is. Look. You got that?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright.
So this one's a little bit tidier than what I normally do. So I've got a piece of string here of what I do is to get those little holes in there, I just heat up in a candle end of a paper clip and burn little holes through it. And then I tied it up, made little lids there, like cutting them with scissors, and just basically inverted a bottle. And so the fish see a huge entrance and they go in, and then the exit is tiny and they can't find their way out. So that's how the thing works.